everyone, my name's Ngọc. I've been teaching English for over 9 years and around 5 years for IELTS, so I really understand how IELTS structure works and what my students need to succeed. In my class, I usually create engaging and supportive learning environment where my students feel safe and confident to speak with each other. I usually encourage my students to make questions and even make mistakes because that is the real life learning works. And I usually keep the lesson interactive and energetic for all of my students to stay motivated and more confident in the class. My teaching methodology centers on clarity, feedback, and real practice. I usually break down complex IELTS structure into smaller steps so my students can approach themselves with confidence. I usually give personalized feedback to my students and encourage them to reflect on their mistakes on a daily basis. And I make sure that all of my students speak with each other 100% in English, not just listening from the teacher. Consistency is key. I usually recommend my students building their learning habit by reviewing vocabulary daily, speaking English every single day, reading articles, watching movies, and listening to podcasts. I believe that these good learning habits can improve their English naturally and sustainably. To all students and parents who are choosing a class at KTDC, it's not just about being fluent at English. It's about finding the right support and the most suitable method for your children. And I do my best to help your children get it.